How do you make a kid's room feel wildly creative without turning your home into a chaotic mess? You want color that sparks imagination, but you also need choices that feel safe, flexible, and easy to live with. That's why a few details matter more than people realize, like using acrylic frames instead of glass in younger kids' spaces, leaning on removable wallpaper so you can switch themes fast, and remembering that a bold rug can hide inevitable spills while keeping the room feeling playful. Now picture that same energy, but refined, anchored by standout decor accents that feel intentional. With Mulwan, you can bring in vivid sculptural showpieces, cheerful tabletop accents, and playful statement pieces that pull the whole room together without overwhelming it. Add one strong focal decor piece, let the colors echo, and the space instantly feels curated, still kid happy, just more confident. Explore Mulan and make the creative wing of your home look as good as it feels.